Okay. Today we're playing Fire Alarm Testing Community Site 1. Let's get clicking to play. Okay, now we're officially in the game, and this restart key director, I don't know what that does, and flapper key. Yes, we are doing it in Hearthstone, and yes, auto Soka, I think. I just clicked it. Alright, let's go in. And there's a fire. So that's what we're going to be doing. Pulling fire alarms in Roblox. And I have the restart key, which I'm going to be trying restarting all fire alarms in there. And there's a top which I do. And so there is a fire alarm right there. So let's click it and it has to say attract the play. And you're start going off and you start hearing me. Today's video we'll be pulling all fire alarms. Let's go! We'll be pulling all fire alarms. You heard that, guys? Pulling all
May I have your attention? This is an emergency. Please walk to the nearest exit and go to your assembly areas and await further instructions. This is an emergency.
Is doing stuff, and yes, we'll be going over here, and it's so bright that I can't even see. And I know it's going to have I'm going to have no views because it's like so blurry. So like bright. Let's push here. Oh my gosh. Like, that would be going off now, and I want to try restarting it. Okay, it did not work. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Sorry about that. Let's get to it. Let's get first one.
May I have your attention? This is an emergency. Please walk to the nearest exit and go to your assembly areas and await further instructions. This is an emergency.
And pull. Now, and sorry about that. Just have to turn it on silent. Let's pull out real quick.
May I have your attention? This is an emergency. Please walk to the nearest
we doing this, guys.
further instructions. This is
Let's
an
do
emergency.
this. Yeah, let's do it.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
A fire emergency has been reported in the building. Please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the
May I
elevator.
have your attention? May I have an emergency, please? May I have your attention,
That one,
please?
let's
A
go
fire
with
emergency has been reported in the building.
the
Have your attention, please. May I have your attention, please?
A fire emergency has been reported.